some small businesses are finding opportunities. Emmanuel has worked as a plumber for more than 5 years, first as a sole trader, then as a small business owner for the last 2.
We run a 24/7 emergency plumbing company. We specialise in the residential field.
With more of us staying and working from home,
people are putting things down drains that they shouldn't be doing.
Job calls have increased as much as 20. Still, there has been a dramatic collapse in the number of job ads on various job seeker platforms. Seek, for example, says it saw a near 34% fall in job ads on its site in March compared with the same time last year. Industries with the greatest contribution to the overall job ad decline include hospitality and tourism, trades and services, and information and communication technology. But some small businesses are finding opportunities. Emmanuel has worked as a plumber for more than 5 years, first as a sole trader, then as a small business owner for the last 2.
We run a 24/7 emergency plumbing company. We specialise in the residential field.
With more of us staying and working from home,
people are putting things down drains that they shouldn't be doing.
Job calls have increased as much as 25% over the month, meaning he's had to hire more staff.
From the month of March, we've actually put on 2 more people, so we've just had a bit of a boost in business.
Now his small business employs 4 other people. Emmanuel, however, is an exception to the rule.
It's been a really indifferent time over the last sort of couple of months as we've seen a lot of companies look to take cost out of their business and implement recruitment freezes.
Today's official labour force report showed a near 6,000 increase in the number of jobs created last month.
This data is based on questions that ask you about your job and how many hours that you worked in the first 2 weeks of March.
That's just before the heavy social distancing measures were introduced, prompting many businesses to shut down and lay off many workers. It's likely to push the unemployment rate higher than today's 5.2% result.
It is clearly going to rise. I think we'll peak out somewhere around 10%.
I think the key advice that I would give at the moment is just around reconnecting with your networks, really making sure that you're putting yourself back out into the market, and also creating a really strong digital or online profile.
The challenges for small businesses like Emmanuel's, which are doing well, is to hold on to their staff.
Everybody as a business owner has their worries about the current economical situation, but I think we're just keeping positive.
Virgin Australia has asked the